In the 12th questions, you have to draw a systematic diagram for a circuit containing a battery of three cell is to be there. Each capacity is 2 volt. It means the total voltage will be the 2 into 3, that means 6 volt, and a 5 ohm resistors and 8 ohm resistors and 12 ohm resistor. It means the 3 resistors are to be there here, 5 ohm, 8 ohm and 12 ohm, and a plug key that is also to be given over here, and they are all connected in series. That you have to be draw the diagram over there. This is the solution for that very questions. Now redraw that that is from this 12th questions. Redraw the circuit of the question 12 and putting an ammeter over there. You have to be put an ammeter. Ammeter is always to be connected in series, and a voltmeter to measure the potential difference across 12 volt. It means आपने क्या put on किया है यहाँ पे? You have to be put on an ammeter and a voltmeter, and the voltmeter value you have to be find out only across the 12 ohm. ऐसा क्वेश्चन भी हमने पहले एक न्यूमेरिकल में I have to discuss with you in our previous video. And what would be the reading in ammeter? We know that in ammeter the current that will remain when the resistors they are connected in series, the ammeter value that will remain same, because the current that will remain same when the resistors or conductors they are to be connected in series. And over that the total resistance that will become 5 ohm plus 8 ohm plus 12 ohm by R1 plus R2 plus R3, that will be give over there effective resistance over there, and that will become here 25 ohm, and this voltage that will become 6 volt over there, and this is the total resistance, this is the total voltage over there. Then you can find out the total current, and that current that will remain same, which is going to be flow across 5 ohm resistors, 8 ohm resistors and 12 ohm resistors. It means over here you have to be find out here what this V3, and for V3 you know the value of this R3 and I. When you have the two value over there, then you are going to be apply the Ohm's law over there, and the Ohm's law is V3 I R3, and firstly you have to find out the current, the total current, and this current that is V upon R, that will become here 0.24 ampere. This the 0.24 ampere current that is going to be flow across the 5 ohm, 8 ohm and 12 ohm. Now that I is remain same, and over that you can find out the value of V3 by putting the value of I and R3. R3 is here 12 ohm and I is we have to be evaluated over here, and this is the voltage that is going to be flow over there. Now just the equivalent resistance when the following are to be connected in parallel. You should know that in parallel in both cases how you can find out their equivalent resistance over there. You have to be evaluated over there, and over here the in parallel the resistance that is which is to be smaller, that will be your value. When the resistors they are to be connected in parallel, then equivalent resistance of the combination that is the least resistance in the combinations. It means here the equivalent resistance of both these in parallel, that is approximately 1 ohm but less than 1 ohm, and here is also 1 ohm for when they have to be connected in parallel. Now 15th question, an electric lamp which will having the capacity power is to be given 100 watt. This is the power which is to be given to over there of a toaster or having resistance 50 ohm, that is a value of R, and a water filter that is next, this is R1, that is R2. When they are to be connected in parallel, both they are to be connected in parallel to a 220 volt source. Now you will see an electric lamp whose power is to be given and a toaster. It means this is the R1, this would be the R2, and this would be the R3 over here. R3 over here, and over here you have to be find out the value of R1, and all the three they are to be connected parallelly when this voltage is to be given to you. Now what is the resistance of an electric iron connected to the same source, as much current all the three appliances, and what is the current through it? Now you have to understand the statement over here, because here क्या कहा है न्यूमेरिकल में, ये आपके पास 3 resistors over here, one is lamp, another one is toaster, third one is water filter, whose resistance, the two resistance value is to be given for the toaster as well as the water filter, not for electric lamp. You have to be find out the value of R1 over here, for which the power is to be given, P is given, and they have to be said in their numerical, they all the three they have to be connected with same voltage, and the voltage is here 220 volt. It means the V is to be given, P is to be given, and we have a relationship over here, the R that is equivalent to V square upon P, and vice versa. The power से interrelated है आपका ये relationship, P that is equivalent to V square upon R, and over here for electric lamp to find out the value of resistance we have to apply that very formula over here, and over there we can find the value of R1. The same that is also to be given in our solution, this R1 that is equivalent to V square upon P, that will become 484 ohm. Now you have to be evaluated the net resistance, and that resistance that will become 1 upon R, equivalent resistance 1 upon that is equivalent to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3, and over here you can find out this equivalent resistance over here, and the total current you can be evaluated by putting the formula of this, because the voltage that will remain same, and R you have to be evaluated in your numerical over here, and this I you can find out over by this formula by using the Ohm's law. Thank you.